Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video I'll be showing you guys a new code that will give you $50,000 in-game cash, and it will give you a free car. So to claim the code, you're going to want to go down to the settings right here, go to Twitter codes, and the code will be fall all caps, submit it, and code redeemed. I got $50,000. And if you hop into the sedans, yup, here it is. It is the 2021 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. So here is the code car, as you guys can all see. Pretty nice. Checking out the specs, it is 290 horsepower and torque 311, and front wheel drive. Pretty nice car overall, pretty good daily driver. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. I made this video pretty short, wanted to get this video out as quick as possible for you guys. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.